nice, little browning nice, little island thing. Teeth white when my smile and thing. Summer odds on my solo, like the man pon the polo. Time for get a island thing right now.
So to get things started, I'm going to show you guys the list of ingredients that we're going to use today really quickly. I have some shrimp here. Here's a complete list of all the seasonings that I'm going to use to season my shrimp and also to make the sauce that I'm going to use for my boil. Next we have some red potatoes, corn on the cob, 1 lemon, butter, parsley flakes, and of course you need aluminum foil. So here's everything seasoned, the shrimp, the potatoes, and the corn. So I have my tin foil here. Just placed a tablespoon of butter on each, and then I'm just gonna add my ingredients in, kind of make sure that everything is equal. Okay, so once we have everything in the foil, just gonna wrap it. So I just added in some butter on top and a little bit of parsley flakes because I'm gonna garnish it when it finishes. So I have the oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Before you put them in the oven, you want to make sure that they are completely closed like this to trap all that heat and moisture in, so we actually have the potatoes and the corn cook well. So I just took it out of the oven. It's been going for about 30 minutes now. So I just added in 1 lemon that I cut in half, and then I just cut that in 2 pieces. So here I have the sauce that I'm gonna put over the top of the boil. It's basically just melted butter with all the seasonings that I told you guys about earlier. The complete list of ingredients is gonna be down below for you guys to follow anyways. So I'm just gonna add some all over. Then just gonna combine everything. We're just gonna cover everything again and then just add it back in the oven for the last 15 minutes.